Hi everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. We are going to draw these lines on the cloth and start cutting it like this. You can use old cloths and you can also cut all these pieces out of it. We are using red, brown and black cloth. Now we are going to stitch all of them together. So put it under this machine and stitch it like this. Here we are going to make this beautiful star shape. So first stitch two close together. Now we are going to stitch all of them like this and you will get this beautiful star shape. Finally we are going to put these black at the corner. These are looking like the petal shape, so put it at the corner and stitch it as well. Now we are going to do the same from all its corners. So stitch all the black cloth and look, it's done. Similar way, make two such pieces. Now we are going to stitch both of them together. Here we are going to make a beautiful cushion. So you can try it at home. You can use old clothes and make this beautiful cushion cover like this and stitch it and look, it's done. Leave one portion free for the filling. So we are going to open it now and look, it's done. Now using that open portion, we are going to fill cottons inside it. So stuff all the cotton inside and stitch it using needle and thread like this. We're going to sew both of them together and look, it's done. Cut the extra fabric and it's done. We're also putting this button at the center using this needle and thread and it's done. We are going to make a beautiful cushion cover. So first we are going to cut this square shape and draw vertical and horizontal lines on the top of it using this chalk. Now we are going to fold it and start stitching it according to the line of the chalk like this. So put it under the machine, fold the cloth according to the line and start the machine on the top of it and stitch it. You will get this beautiful pattern after this. Look how we are doing here. We're also stitching it from other side and look, it's done. Now put it on the top of the other fabric. This will be the back side of the cushion. So we are going to put this zip on the top of it and stitch both the cloths together like this. So put the cloth and fold it over the zip and we're going to start the machine in a straight line and look, it's done. Now put the beautiful pattern fabric on the top of it and we're going to make the cushion now. After this we are going to flip the cover. So we're going to put the corners inside it, flip it and also put a cushion inside it and look, your beautiful cushion cover is ready. You can make more such designs for your home. Going to cut this moon shape on this orange color of cloth. Here we are going to cut 8 such shapes and start stitching it all together like this. So put it under the machine and stitch it like this. Here we are going to make a pumpkin shaped cushion. So here we are going to stitch it like this and look, it's done. Similar way, flip the cloth and put all the moon shaped one over another and stitch them like this and look, it's done. Finally we are going to make it like this and look, it's done. Open it like we're doing here and we are going to fill it with cotton. So stuff the cotton inside it fully like this and using thread and needle we're going to sew it like this and finally we are going to put this green color of cloth at the top and bottom part and sew it as well using thread and needle and we are going to close the hole like this and look, it's done. Finally we're also putting this handle at the top for more decoration like this and look, it's done. Look how pretty this pumpkin shaped cushion is looking. We all have these type of old t-shirts at home, so let's reuse them. Here we are going to cut the printed portion like this. Cut 2 such fabrics. Now put both of them under the stitching machine and we're going to sew them like this and look, it's done. Now we are going to flip the cloth. So hold it from the corners and look, it's done. Now take some cottons and fill it inside it like we're doing here. Stuff it completely and after this we're going to stitch it at the center. We are making this beautiful shape. So we're going to take the needle and thread and make this beautiful pattern on the top of it. You can also put this button at the center for more decoration. So we are going to sew it at the center. We're also making the yellow color thread and we are making a flower here. So we are making a frill design. Cut the portion and make more such designs and put it at the corners and look, your beautiful cushion is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and share with your friends.